I'm now on location at a recently completed fire restoration project, joined with Jerry Bird from Intek. Jerry, welcome.
Thank you.
There's never an easy way to talk about a fire restoration project, but the positive note I can see is this now looks like a brand new home, and we'll certainly get to this specific project. Before we do that, tell me about Intek, the company, for those viewers that don't know it. Where are you located, and what are you capable of, particularly when it relates to fire restoration?
Intek is a Sioux Falls-based company with offices in Brookings and Yankton. The services we provide include carpet cleaning, furnace and duct cleaning, mold remediation. We do a lot of water restoration, and as we are standing here, fire restoration.
I didn't realize that you had the capability not only to come in and remediate and tear everything out, but you work with the insurance company and you did all of the remodeling. Is that correct?
We did. This house had a very substantial fire in the basement. It didn't burn through anything, but obviously everything was tested by the heat and lots of soot and smoke up into the attic. We had to totally gut the whole house. And when we got down to that point with the owner, we decided that there was some remodeling that needed to be done, some walls that needed to be moved. And so we set about taking care of all that. We remodeled the basement.
Kind of walk us through the process here of cleaning and then how you meticulously store items and how all that works.
Well, you take a house that has had severe smoke and fire and heat damage, and you first of all walk around and inventory what is going to be cleaned and what is damaged, and that gives both the owner and the insurance company the ability to determine in their own minds if they're willing to have something done or just they're willing to part with it. The stuff we save, we take back to the shop, and we have a full service laundry where we can do everything except the dry cleaning and bring it back in the proper order. In other words, things that a person needs to live right away, we can get after it and get it done quickly. And all her contents that are going to be salvaged, we take and store at the shop in a vault so that it's containerized, if you will, and we can move it around with a forklift and put it into our cleaning room where we have an ultrasonic cleaning.
But tell me more about this ultrasonic cleaning machine. Is this a pretty common piece of equipment?
It is not. I think we're the only ultrasonic cleaning in Sioux Falls or in the area, and what it accomplishes for us is it takes away from just sitting there and trying to clean a box of contents, where in fact you can put it through an assembly line, pre-washes it a couple times, and it's in the ultrasonic machine, then it's rinsed, then it goes through a dish dryer, and then it's packaged and put back together.
Okay, so the process is obviously call the fire department, call your insurance company, and for sure call Intek.
Correct.
Jerry, thanks for being on.
Thank you.
When you have a fire, you don't know, you're insecure, everything is messed up, your whole life is changed, and I don't know what I would have done without Intek. I mean, they worked with my insurance company. They handle everything. They walk you through everything. They help you with everything. It's amazing.